guys, what's up? Alright guys, yes, in this video I will teach you how to do this. Yes, a tutorial on how to create a ramp door like this. Look at this, guys. Yes, look at that. Easy, right? So yes, with this you can use this for not only with a truck but for your ships and cars. Yeah, everything, anything. It gives your build a realistic functions, right? So yes, let us start now. This is my delivery truck without the ramp door, and yes, we're gonna do it. So what I usually do is that I just clone this part. So using the trowel tool, use mirror for this. Yes, there you go. And then we have to resize this. Change the scale to 0.1. So yes, scale the sides like this. So make sure that there's a space like that. So the minimum space between blocks is 0.1, guys. That is important. So left and right, there's that spacing, and then on top, there you go. And then we gotta pull this like this. Yes, make sure that they have a space, but this one, as you can see, no space. So what we're going to do is we gotta move this with scale 0.1. So yes, just move it one time like that. There you go. So I just want to resize this a little to give more space to make sure that the ramp door is not touching the parts of the truck. And then the next part is just want to change the color of this so that we can easily distinguish the ramp door and the truck. All right, so now we gonna mirror this again. All right, there you go. And then change to 0.1. So yes, make this one really small like that. Okay, so yes, the size of this is 0.1. Okay, so I just want this to turn black so that we can easily distinguish it. Now we are going to mirror this. All right, like that. Okay, so we mirror this. We can resize this now, maybe 0.5. That will do. And then mirror it again. There you go. All right, and then we are going to pull this maybe one like that. Yeah, so using scale 2. Okay, there you go. So make sure that this stick doesn't touch part of the truck or your build. This is where we are going to put our first servo. Yes guys, we're gonna use servo for this. The move must be at 2 to make sure that we place the servo with its center. Okay, that's very important. So put it like this. It should be like this. Okay, we have to move it. There you go, like that. So as you can see, we just want to make sure that this stick is attached to the servo, and to make sure it's attached, actually we want to put a block here. Alright, so this block is the one that ensures that the stick is connected. So yeah, make sure this gold block is not touching parts of your build. Okay, add another servo. Put the servo like this. There you go, like that. Okay, so yes, the move must be at 2 again. To move it like this. Alright, there you go. So now the thing is, we need to set the servo. So you may want to make it slower, like speed 1, and then the angle of this one, alright, the vertical servo should be 90. And then this one, yes, servo angle 45, that is correct. Then change the speed to 1, yes. And then we are going to put block here. Let's put some block here, alright. Then resize it like that. There you go. And I want to make sure that this block is touching the servo. But make sure this block, the gold block, is not touching this dark part of the servo. Okay, then we can mirror this. There you go. And then yes, pull it. So this is the one that connects the servos to the body. Yes, again guys, this gold block should not be touching this vertical servo. That is important. And then yes, we have to save it before we test it, and then load it. Let's try this now. What the? So that's a problem. Another problem, guys. So you can see the door not properly attached. To do that, you simply make sure this one is connected. So you can pull this like that, okay? You can even make it bigger like this, okay? I think this is enough. Yes, we can save it now. Then reload. Alright, sometimes tiny blocks will not be properly connected, kind of glitch. Alright, let us try. Yes, alright guys, easy. And by the way, yes, you should turn off collision for these blocks and the servos, make it transparent. And also with this, turn off collision, make it transparent. And of course, this one, collision off, then transparent. There you go, easy, yeah. Let's open the door. There you go. Yeah! Alright guys, easy right? It's very easy. So by the way guys, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe now and click the notification bell and please like and share the video. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye!